Today we're going to be fitting an AluCab? What is it called?
AluCab.
AluCab.
Icarus, like the main road,
Yeah, well, whatever. Anyway, we've got his roof off already. It's down here. If anybody wants to buy a 110 roof, Jeff's got one for sale. It's got the Alpines and the sunroof in it that doesn't leak. There's one for the books. We're going to lift it on with the forklift. So instead of moving the car and moving the forklift all over the place, we're simply going to just lift it up vertically, and I'm just going to slowly come forward and drop it down into place. Well, that's the plan. But we're putting straps around it so we sling it on my central bar, and I think we should be pretty good there. So let's get that set up.
Let me try it. Please. You lift it up? Yes, please. I'll help you out. That's behind. I think we'll be alright. I think so. Because this is higher ground.
We have to move a little bit because the roof's cockeyed. It's pulled it round a little bit, so we're going to reverse on rather than move it on the tractor. I think he's got the idea. Let's move the camera. Don't want to get too close, but if we can just drop it down. Now I've just learned that these AluCab don't have any holes drilled in them, so we're going to drop it down. Just a minute. We're going to drop it down and see what happens. It's like dancing on ice but putting a roof on. Oh, that would be good. That would be a good competition, wouldn't it? So what we've got at the moment, we've just got a little problem getting the angle right. So we're going to tie it to the forklift mast at the back so it can't go back, and then just tip it down. Like I said before, there's no holes in this, nothing at all. You have to drill them yourself. Yeah. So we'll see. But we want to tip the tilt on the forklift down, but we don't want to move it forward. So I don't know. We'll make it up as we go along. Oh, that's the idea. And the roof lip here. The only problem now is how we're going to get our ratchet straps off. Huh? Yeah. That takes some pressure off. Yeah, stick going on. There you go, Jeff. Just leave it like that. Just leave it with the foam on. It's good. So all we need to do now is just lift the back a bit to get the strap out.
Yes.
Take the rest of the foam off, and that's it.
Yeah.
We'd be buggered doing it without a forklift.
I'm sorry?
That's heavy to lift. It's heavy to manhandle, is that?
Yeah. Well, it's not that bad.
Well, if you had 4 of you, it'd be alright, but 2,
Well, they say at least 6.
6.
Yeah, because
Well,
you
the
know,
South Africans, though, because they're little feeble things, aren't they, in South Africa?
well, the 6 dudes that were actually doing the video, they were like big fella.
They want the Massey Ferguson forklift, that's what they want. Stop messing about.